yourself something.
Guys, to hear what's happening. Okay, just a quick update regarding my journey with Azha Automatic Trader. So for those of you new to my channel, welcome. I document here my journey in cryptocurrency and forex trading platforms. Last week, I joined something new. I joined a automatic trader. So the way it works, and I know that you guys are at different levels, so please bear with me. I know that some of you guys are experienced traders, others are new to trading, others have never even heard of forex trading before or never considered it. Basically, the only thing you guys need to know is you do not need to know how to trade at all. The way it works for me, and again over the next few days, weeks and months, I'm going to keep repeating myself in different ways, adding few bits and pieces so that you guys can understand fully what I'm doing. I joined this trader here, which is a software. This software is called Azha Automatic Trader 6.0. It's a pre-launch. It's been around for the last 6 months, and basically, as as the name would suggest, it trades for you. So there is different components of this software. The first thing is you need to buy the software. It's not for everyone. There is a high entry level. It's $2,000 USD, 2K. Okay, so I want to be straight. It's 2K to get it. Now, on top of that, after paying 2K, you actually need to put some money into your Forex broker. So I recommend starting on at least 1 to 2K. Me, personally, I started with 3K. Okay? Now, the way it works is the software trades for you, but on top of that, you can also get what is called account management, where someone is looking after your account for you, just choosing the settings and making sure that you don't blow your account, basically, because even though you don't have to do anything at all with an EA or with an automatic trader, you can still blow your account if you don't know what you're doing. Me, I want this adventure to be completely hands-free. Therefore, I decided to, on top of everything, so on top of the software, which is 2K, on top of putting money in my balance, which was 3K, I decided to also take account management, which is another few hundreds per month. Now, if you're still with me and if you're still interested, you need to check out this Facebook group. Okay, it's called Board in the House Forex Trading Azha Automatic Trader. This is some of these are some of the testimonials that the guys have been doing in the group. This guy is Benjamin. I just woke up to take care of some personal needs and check my account status. I'm in profit. What a good feeling, thanks to my account manager. Okay, this guy is 126 in profit. Fantastic. Now, this guy, Ryan Lee. Okay, what is he saying? Okay, just let the market ride itself into nothing. I did another 2K. Will be a great upcoming 20, 21, 22. Sit back and enjoy the moment. Anything is possible if your mind and soul into it, blah, blah, blah. Patience and compounding is the key. This guy, let me click on this. Okay, so he just wants to highlight the fact that he added another 2K in. Fantastic. This guy here, Marish Mirza, I plan on depositing 1K and then depositing extra 1K. Okay, he wants some advice. This lady here, Danielle Willis, 266 profit so far. The market just opened. That's on a 10K balance. So the software is taking a lot of trades for you, and at the end of the day, you end up in profit most of the time. Okay, most of the time. So you've got a few losses, but on average, you always finish in, I shouldn't say always, because again, first of all, I am no financial advisor. Second of all, anything can happen. It's trading and it's Forex trading. So there's an element of risk involved in that. Let's keep browsing, guys. Let's keep browsing. 7K profit for the week, etc., etc. So you guys can have a look at this this Facebook group. It's called Board in the House Forex Trading, and you can make your own educated decision about this software. Again, I want to be fully transparent here. It's just another avenue for me. It's not the be all and all, okay? It's just another avenue for me. And what I like about this is once you put your money in, once you get the hands-free account management, once you get everything, you don't need to do anything at all. You just sit on your ass and do nothing. The software does everything for you once everything is set up. And what I also like about it is that it is Forex trading. So if BTC goes up or down, you don't really care. You know, you're not subject to BTC shenanigans. Okay, you don't really care. If BTC goes up or down, it's not your problem because this is Forex trading. That's the first thing. The second thing you guys need to know is the fact that you can withdraw your money anytime you want because you just withdraw your money from your Forex broker. So if you put 3K in, if after a few weeks or a few days or a few months, you're like, oh, you know what? I'm sick of that. I need to get my money out. That's it. You get your money, you withdraw your money from your Forex broker and boom, from your Forex broker to your account balance in USD or in AUD or in GPD or whatever your main currency is. You don't need to wait 2 weeks or 3 months or whatever then the amount of weeks you need to wait in a normal cryptocurrency platform. No, the money is yours. It's on your Forex broker, and when you withdraw it, it's in your account balance straight away. Let's have a look at a few. Let's have a look at a few more testimonials. Best week ever. Even after a scary 50% drawdown, the Azha trader come through and pays big. A drawdown is when you look at your trade during the day and you're like, oh shit, the software losing money. Okay, but as long as the software doesn't close you guys, it doesn't really matter because the software is going to try to initiate different trades, and at the end of the day, even if it's in drawdown, as in even if the trade is in negative, usually it very often closes in profit. Okay, so if you look at your trade during the day, you're like, oh shit, I'm in minus 46. Oh shit, I'm in minus 39. It doesn't really matter because when the actual trade closes, it ends up in profit. So let's have a look at this guy. Friday profits. Glad I can pay while doing a 7-hour surgery. Oh wow, look at this guy. Let's click on this. Okay, so this is the way it works. Placing small trades, placing winning small, small losses and small wins as well. But at the end of the day, 191 in profits. So that's the way it works, and I'm going to keep documenting my journey. Now, you don't really care about others. You might be thinking, okay, well, these testimonials, you know, we don't really know, maybe they're fake or whatever. I can tell you guys, I'm going to share my journey with you. I started with $3,000. That was last week. After a few days, I was on 3,108. 3,108 was my balance after a few days. Okay, and that's a screen capture from my phone, by the way. That is a screen capture from my phone on the 7th of on the 5th of December, on Friday afternoon. Today, I just checked. And this is the first day of trading for the week because this is Monday night here in Australia, so Monday morning in the UK, and still nighttime in the US. And my balance has changed now to 3,146. 3,146. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a risk. My ambition, my goal for this week, guys, my goal for this week with this software is to go from 3,146 to let's say okay, I wanna do a nice 5% this week. So let's pull out the infamous calculator. So we're currently sitting on 3,146. So 3,146, and if I do 5% for the week, that's around 20% a month. I'm very happy with that. Times 105. Okay. All right, I'm going to take a risk here. My goal by Friday night is to be sitting on 3,303. I cannot predict the future. I don't know what's going to happen. But this is my goal for the week, guys. This is my goal for the week, to be on 3303. And I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea what's going to happen. I'm just, you know, exploring options. And, you know, I don't want to do predictions or anything. I don't know what the market is going to do. I don't know if the market is going to crash or whatever. But the goal is to be on 3303 by the end of the week. And I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to keep documenting my journey and share it with you guys, so that if you're interested, I can tell you how to get started. And there's so many components and so many things, so many variables I need to explain to you guys. But at the moment, let's, you know, take it one video at a time. At the moment, I'm sitting on 3146, and the ambition, the goal is to go to 3303 by the end of the week, hands-free, without doing anything. The only thing I need to do is to check every day my balance to see if I'm attaining my goal. All right, this is Frankie. I'll keep telling you about my journey, and now I gotta run. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.